adjust the hair volume for this model. Focusing on the roots and the middle of the hair to reduce the hair volume, making it easier to cut the hair length. Using a texturizing to cut technique, I repeat the opening and closing motion on both sides to cut the hair length, resulting in a natural effect at the ends. For the bangs, I employ the same method. Using a slanting texturizing technique to create three-dimensional and wispy effects. I use two straight scissors 6V combined together by point cut to trim the hair ends on both sides of the face.
Welcome to leave a comment. Hit the like, share, subscribe buttons, and click the bell to receive notifications of latest videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. You wanna buy Vern scissors? Get more details in description.